Probably been a minute since I picked up the camera, but damn, what day is it? I've been working on this lip and stuff. It's day 6-9. Hold up.
Let me get it started. Baby with the Robins. Looking over.
But yeah, it's day 6-9 of this whole lip install. Man, it's been too long. So right now I've been trying to use plastic dip on these parts to make them black. I was driving with one silver and one black because this side messed up, so I'm fixing that right now. And then I'm clear coating the lip, which I painted it to match the car. It's about to take a minute. And I got something in for y'all today. Today I'm picking up something for the Genesis again. I won't tell you guys. You guys probably have to watch the whole video or watch at least midway through to go figure this out. But once I get the confirmation and everything and it's good to go, I'm gonna pick those up and I'll let you guys know on those. Ooh, how did it turn out? And that came out good to me. Now, just finishing it up, hitting it with a bunch of clear coats. Let's see how that goes. Kind of dark. Yeah, don't worry about these parts. I know that's a little black, but you really don't need it because it's gonna be drilled up and you won't really see it. It's the outside that really matters. You can probably see it. Yeah, so it's the outside that really matters. I just gotta wait till the sun dries it a little more. Even though most of it's not really getting dried by the sun right now. I honestly don't know how many times I do gotta spray it. Sprayed it a couple times already. I'm just waiting for it to dry so I could apply it on. Made some space in the garage so I could lift up the car. I'm just and then waiting for my sister to move her car on the side. Then I could finally put the car up on the jacks. And I probably have to wait until time's right now 3:30, 3:23. I gotta wait a couple minutes or probably like an hour or two to get the piece for the Genesis. Will not tell you guys still. Stay tuned.
What's up? We're on our way going to pick up the surprise for the Genesis, and yeah, we're on the way to Fremont right now, and you guys just have to wait.
Take a mommy, count my guap, count my guap. All these racks bumming in, hold on.
You got a 3.8. That shit's clean as fuck, bro. Honestly, this is like the honestly, this is like the second time for us meeting, and we actually help each other. I guess you can say that. But he gives me advice and stuff, and you know, I give him advice and stuff. Oh, that's the guy. That's actually the guy he's supposed to meet. Guess he's gonna buy another coupe part off of him. But what he's trying to do is actually for his 3.8, he's trying to actually do a track type of setup. So that's pretty cool. Hey, look, another Genesis. Lit. Driving back home right now. I actually gotta get ready to go to the gym. He actually has finals, but I actually don't know how this is gonna go. So today is the day we're actually going to go shoot, and we're actually going to install the lip and the side skirt that I got for the Genesis yesterday. So the car is jacked up right now. We thought we could try to install the side skirt by lifting the car inside, but fortunately the drills don't really get the back and it's going to hit. So right now we're just going to take off the front bumper so we can install the lip. That last time, it's a red lip. I clear coated it so it could match the color of the front bumper. Still, the guy said heat it for at least 45 minutes and then try to reshape the whole lip. So hopefully it looks a little mean. And I know you guys can see the difference between the two bumpers, but damn, on camera you could really see the difference. Up in person it doesn't look too bad, but in camera it makes it look super bad. But all the guy said about fixing this, because it's plastic and the body is metal, that all he could do is repaint it to make it go back to normal. But you think another fresh coat of paint would help it? Huh? I mean, it might, but I am not totally sure. Because I don't want to just try to pay another, what, probably a couple $100 or $100 or $150 just to repaint it. And then it turns out the same. That's kind of a waste, but let me know what you guys think on the comments down below on what should I do with this. The two-toned. You can see it. Let me know what you guys think. Trying to prepare for a show, All That Slammed, out in Santa Cruz. And yeah, I really don't know. I mean, I want the cars to be perfect. Not really perfect, but like phase 1 perfect. And I actually don't know what to do yet. So if not, then I'll probably just go to another paint shop and just get it repainted and then call it a day. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below.
A rebel I be one day, on that track with gunplay. Outcast my whole life, so I decide to spit like Andre. Beef is on my entree, gin and juice, that's Bombay. Driving fast the wrong way, I swear life is like a one-way.
Alright, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with and without. You guys let me know what you guys think. So this is without. We just added the new lip. Try to paint match it. This is with the new side skirt. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know if the shadow really catches how it looks, but yo, this thing is mean, son. To be honest, it's the little things that make it goes crazy. Like, look at this red, bro. Like, looks extended.
It looks like the car's way lower.
My car's way lower? Yeah, that's why I said I wanted to go red lip to make it look more. And then, yep. Alright, let's finish the other side. Shout out to King Must Rise. Thanks for the signature. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. So today is actually an exciting day. I got off work early, so I'm about to get my rear bumper fixed. You can see that it's a day and night finish. Let me show you guys. You can see right here, it's a day and night finish. So the top is metal. Yes, this is plastic, the bottom. But I mean, the paint shouldn't be, you know, two different paints. It should at least match. So I'm actually getting that fixed today. I'm actually running a little bit late. So I'm gonna head over to the spot right now. And hopefully they can paint match it. We'll see. Yeah, hopefully they can paint match it. We'll see. Ooh. It's a little bit hot here right now. I gotta wear my seatbelt. Catch you guys when I'm on the road. Yo, welcome back to the vlog, guys. So I actually got to the place, kind of out in the, it's around the San Jose area. They actually are repainting a car. It's Laguna Blue. It's an STI. See if I can show you guys. My car is getting worked on the rear of the car, so it could match it. It's two different shades of red. And this is the current car that they repainted to Laguna Blue. Currently working on it. There's an NRG quick release. Show you guys when I come all around. Interior seats. So this is the original Laguna Blue. Why is that shift knob? And it's already on air lifts. That's pretty dope. So So just an update on the car. I actually had to drive it without the rear. So it's like this for now. I do promise it will get better from here. This is just step one. So they're repainting the bumper so it can match, as I've been saying throughout the whole video. And looking at it, I've never really seen the rear of my car. It's pretty cool. He told me to leave the car there for at least another day, for at least a couple days, so they could repaint it, resand it, and primer it. When I first got it fixed from a previous incident, the guy actually just half-assed it. That's what he was telling me, that all he did was one coat of paint, not a bunch, so it didn't look clean. But since I'm getting it fixed and I'm doing it the right way, we'll see how it turns out. Alright, welcome back to the vlog. I'm currently going to go get my bumper. I just left work, so it's pretty dope that I get to leave early to go pick it up. You know, most of the shops out here, they close at 6, so I'm on time.
In 2 miles, take exit 3 beyond Dither Avenue. In a 1/4 mile, turn right onto Dither Avenue. Use the right lane to turn onto Dither Avenue. Turn right, then turn right onto...
Welcome back to the vlog, guys. So I just came back from basically everything that I did. I actually just got back from the gym. I didn't really record much when I was inside the shop when they were putting back my bumper, but that's not really exciting, so that's nothing to really show you guys. The owner of that shop, actually, his son actually tracks one of his cars. It's an STI. It's waiting to get dynoed, so it's pretty crazy. I mean, there's hell of things on that car, and they do everything, like to paint, to custom fiberglass work. But other than that, all these videos and these vlogs, they might be out of sync, but I'm trying to get these videos out as soon as possible, or we're trying to get these videos out as soon as possible, so you guys can, you know, have some of your homies subscribe to the channel, you know, support us. If you guys are around the area, this Sunday there's actually a show. The Genesis actually got into the show. It's actually called All That Slamness out in the Santa Clara Fairgrounds, which that's by Watsonville. That's kind of weird, but it's kind of weird that it says Santa Clara Fairgrounds, but it's in Watsonville, but whatever. So this is going to be the first show that Genesis is actually going to get in. I actually didn't get into Week Fest, don't know why. I'm thinking that the only way you can get into Week Fest if you're in a, like, what do you call this? If you are sponsored or if you had a booth. So if you're a booth card, then you're definitely gonna get in. So my card didn't get in, but other than that, you know, it's whatever. You gotta keep moving on and just keep pushing forward. And so this Sunday, if you guys are around town, if you guys are around, you know, the San Jose area and trying to go see a show, this Sunday, it's actually, I think, the 15th, though, I mean, I'm not totally sure, I don't have my phone on me, but this Sunday, there's a car show that Genesis just got into. Come out, support the crew, take a picture with the car, you know, come talk to us, ask us questions. I mean, I'm just as shy as everybody else, don't get me wrong, but I'll catch you guys if you guys are out there, any of my subscribers, or even if it's family members, come out, support, yo. Catch you guys in the next vlog. Deuces.